Everybody loves stripes, but in the round, they can be not so pretty. Here I have joined a new ball and I've knit one round of the blue. And if I continue along my merry way to the second round without doing anything special, you can see not so pretty. You get the dreaded jog. So let's look at my favorite jogless join for a stripe that is 2 rows or wider. You're always going to knit one full round without doing anything special. Now, when you get back to the end of the round, and here I am at the first stitch I knit with my new color, I'm going to insert the tip of the right needle back to front into the row below, into the old color, lift that up onto the needle. Now knit them together with the row below and finish the round. And that's it. I'm going to finish up the round and let's take a look at what it looks like. And there you go. Knit a couple rounds of green over it so you can see. But there is our jogless join. Pretty darn good and so incredibly simple to do.